Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen easy at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 package of instant ramen, 2 large eggs, and about 1 cup of fresh vegetables like spinach or green onions. Having your toppings ready beforehand saves time. A flavorful broth is key, so choose your favorite, perhaps a chicken or vegetable base, for a truly satisfying meal. This method makes delicious ramen in under 15 minutes. Now, let's cook the main components. Bring about 4 cups of water to a boil for your noodles. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes, or as directed on the package, then drain well. Simultaneously, gently simmer about 2 cups of your preferred broth in a separate pot. You can enhance its flavor with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or a teaspoon of miso paste. Keep the broth hot, but avoid a rolling boil. It's time to assemble your delicious ramen bowl. First, carefully transfer the drained, cooked noodles into a deep, wide serving bowl. Next, pour the hot, aromatic broth over the noodles, filling the bowl about 2/3 full. This ensures there's enough liquid without overflowing. Finally, artfully arrange all your prepped toppings on top of the noodles and broth. Presentation truly enhances the eating experience. To truly elevate your homemade ramen, consider these fantastic topping ideas. A perfectly soft-boiled egg, sliced in half, adds richness. Freshly sliced green onions and a sheet of nori seaweed are classic choices. For a heartier meal, include about 4 ounces of thinly sliced pork, chicken, or pan-fried tofu. Don't forget to customize with a drizzle of chili oil, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, or a dash of rice vinegar for an extra kick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.